Iodena is a fashion brand rooted in Barcelona's textile tradition, known for its elegant and detailed high quality collections that reflect the style and sophistication of the contemporary woman. Let's explore the world of Iodena and all it has to offer.
All you've got is this moment. 21st century's yesterday. You can care all you want. Everybody does, yeah, that's okay. So slide over here and give me a moment. Your moves are so raw. I've got to let you know. I've got to let you know. You're one of my kind.
Today we have with us Rosa Barnadas, the export manager of
Hello.
Iodena. Hello,
Yeah,
Rosa. How are you
hi.
doing?
Hi, thank you.
Iodena is a family business with a story over 30 years of story. Tell us, what sets you apart from other brands?
As you tell, Iodena is a family-run business that have in their basis on the quality and the service. So our offer and dedication is to achieve a good relationship between our company and the retailer, always in touch with the agent or distributor.
Yeah, so you have the quality as an important value of the brand, but tell us, how do you translate these values to the design and on the manufacturing process?
So the quality of our product, the know-how of more than 30 years are reflected in each collection. When the season starts, we begin by trying and developing the new yarns with the different finishes that we can do with the knitting, the washing, or the ironing. So having seen does it work, we sit all together to argue with the team which yarns and tissues will be better for each model. When we take care and look for the best finishing possible of each article made.
Indeed, we can tell that all this care and effort on your collections is very well reflected. We also see a lot of vibrant colors in the classic partners, but we would like to know about your style. How you define the aesthetic of Iodena's collections?
So commodity, functionality, and elegancy are our main goals, always maintaining an element of sophistication. We place special emphasis on our color palette, always introducing vibrant colors on each season, while also keeping the basics in mind. Incorporation details such as rhinestone, colorful buttons, or timing bring the product a better final look. The range of our products are so big, as we do knitwear, t-shirts, for example, in viscose or 100% cotton for summer, and in winter we play with intarsias, boiled wood, or prints, among others. Our clothing are designed to be wearable for every day.
I see. I think that your commitment for using high quality materials it's very important. But tell us, what different blends of fibers do you use for the different seasons?
Yeah, we believe that work needs a transformation. So that's why we embrace the principles of a slow fashion concept from the beginning. This commitment is reflected in our choice of primary materials, including wool yarns, of cashmere for winter season, and with spring we explore the versatility of viscose, cotton, or linen. We ensure that all suppliers also adhere from the slow fashion philosophy.
Slow fashion is the future. We love these
think.
messages.
Yeah.
We really have to put sustainability in the heart of
Yeah.
our brands and our collections. Just to conclude, tell us what Iodena's expansion plans of both national and international are.
Yeah, now we are selling here, so in Spain, in France, in Italy, but also some points of United States. But what we want is to grow in this American market, if it's possible. So that's why we are here. That's also that Iodena wants to continue to produce in our country, that this allow us to control the product from the beginning till it's done, to offer the maximum quality. At the same time, we wanted to continue the relationship with the client as it's done till now. So when we come here is that we want to find somebody that can help us to continue this growth.
I'm
more
sure you
years.
will. I'm sure you will expand your brand into
hope.
new markets.
Thank
You so much for this interview, for joining us,
Thank you
so
very
you know
much.
more about your brand.